Welcome everyone. We have for you here today this lovely Cayenne V8 diesel S car. It's a 2016, covered just 16,000 miles with a full history and just one owner. Set in Moonlight Blue metallic, so it's a very dark metallic blue. Probably isn't showing as well in this video, but certainly in the pictures it will do if you're on the website. But it is a lovely colour, and you know, something a little bit different to your blacks that are out there, but lots of metallic through the paint, and it looks very, very good. You'll see it's got the 21-inch turbo style alloys. Got the yellow caliper there. Normally that signifies ceramic brakes. They're not. Customer just opted to have the yellow caliper painted at the factory when he ordered the car. I think it looks quite nice. Sits well against the blue and contrasts nicely. You know, other features we'll talk about obviously in the car, but we've got that lovely sort of chrome pack around the car as well. And then round to the rear, got those nice sports tailpipes, and just beef the car up a bit. It does look good, subtle, but very tasty. Privacy glass through the rear of the car and the boot. You can see we've got the reverse camera there just above the plate. Obviously got the electric tailgate. And if we go inside the car, you'll see the lovely contrast here with this cream leather. So that looks really good. Sensibly done. Kept the black carpets, the black wheel, black dash, etc. But that leather really is really very nice. Again, dark on the back of the seat, so it is just the leather on the seat in that sort of ivory cream. It is lovely. You've got the black piano wood there as well, and then you've got this lovely contrast stitch through the extended leather on the dash. Obviously you've got full PCM there with nav, phone, all touch screen, etc. All the usual gubbins. Got the hot seats. Got the sports chrono and sports suspension there as well. There's the chronograph. There's the miles, 16,252, and as I say, just from one owner, so lovely miles. Obviously this car does enjoy the Porsche guarantee right up until 2019, at which point you can extend onto the Porsche warranty. So no different from buying it from the main dealer. You know, the car is still under guarantee, as I say. That's with the manufacturer, and they're fully transferable. So you know, that's something we just very easily change your name on the Porsche database, and that flicks across to you. Couple of finance options available on this car, and they're both embedded now in the website. So if you are looking at this car on Auto Trader, just go through to our website, visit dealer website, go through to there, select the car from the showroom page, and you'll see a finance calculator towards the bottom, and that will give you an exact figure. So it's not hypothetical, it's not an estimate, they are exact numbers. You can even make the proposal yourself, or obviously if you're not comfortable doing that, just give us a call in the showroom. We'll gladly do it on your behalf. But you can definitely quote yourself on both a PCP with a balloon payment at the end, or on a straightforward HP. And the terms and the mileages are all adjustable, so you can have a play around with that and get your payment to where you'd like it to be if possible. 01455 is the showroom, 446 505. If we're on social media, you'll find us at AUV. And if you're on YouTube, you'll see in the bottom right hand corner of your screen There's a grey silhouette there. And if you click on that, sort of a watermark, then you'll start to follow us on YouTube and you'll get all our updates and new arrivals. But a lovely looking car, very stylish, great colour combination. And like I say, maybe the video doesn't perhaps do the colour justice, but it's a very, very dark blue with the cream interior there, and it does contrast really well. Great performance, good economy as well. We'll look forward to your call.